Put it in camel case. Now what's this, man?
What's camel case? You know.
Oh my
punctuality.
God, man.
You gonna introduce me?
How's it going, guys? My name is Dom, and today I'm gonna be showing my fiance how to code. So, what's your name?
Mary.
Her name's Mary. What is it? Oh, actually, I showed her 10 JavaScript mini projects, and she chose. What did you choose?
You tell me, buddy.
The bill, the restaurant bill calculator. So essentially, it's gonna be two input fields. One of them is gonna be the total amount for the restaurant meal or whatever it is.
Amazing.
And hey,
amazing.
And the second one is gonna be the number of people at the table. So basically, it's gonna be the total divided by the people, and then that's your amount per person. So that is what we're going to be trying to build today. It's going to be straightforward, but you know what? This is Mary's first time doing JavaScript, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so right here we've got this HTML page. So of course you're going to be writing right here, and of course the output or the actual project itself is going to be on the right side. So let's begin.
Okay.
This is actually a lot harder than I thought, to be honest. I don't know what to even start with. So, alright, so we need the two input fields. Basically, right here, you put your HTML code, and then whatever you put there, it's basically going to show on that side. If you want an input field, the tag is called input, right? Just go inside there, in the...
Where? Number 8?
Yeah, number 8. Yeah, put a tab. Yeah, put a tab in. Yeah, or little crocodile things. No, the other one.
No.
Yeah, the sharp one.
This?
Oh, less than sign.
This? What?
Less than.
This?
Yeah, less than, yeah. Now you gotta put input right there. So right here, you put one of these guys. There's different types of input fields, right? You got number, you got telephone, you got email. We want text.
Okay.
Actually, we want number, don't we? No, we want number. We want number.
Are you
so
sure?
Yeah, number. So put a space, then say type. You got heaps of options. So for example, actually,
I choose number, right?
Of course, we need to use number. So you can just press down.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, what'd I do? Back.
You can't swear. Alright. Equals. Now choose number. If you close this tag, use the greater than sign. Right. There we go. You got the first input field. Now actually, it's quite big here, so I'll just resize the browser.
So do you always do that thing and Control S at the end of a line?
Yeah, to save, yeah.
Save.
Save your work, yeah.
Right.
Save your work, right?
I didn't know that.
So you don't lose it, mate. Yeah, so now it's going to probably be the case of putting an ID on that. So...
Yeah.
Yeah, inside there, yeah. Put a space. ID. What are you going to call this? Choose anything. Literally anything.
Mary's Foods.
Mary's Foods?
Yeah.
Right. Chuck in Mary's Foods.
Great.
Put it in camel case. Now what's this, man?
What's camel case? Is that caps?
You know what? Do it. Go ahead. Do what you want to do.
I don't know. Just,
Oh my
punctuality
God, man.
and capital letters.
No, you can't put spaces in there. Or that weird thing, the apostrophe.
Okay. How am I supposed to know?
Hold on. This is Pascal case. I don't want the Pascal case.
I don't know what you want.
There can't be a capital at the start.
Ugh.
That's basic knowledge. Make this lowercase n.
Okay.
Right, camel case.
How about you just say, make it all lowercase?
No. Oh my God. No. That one's got to be capital.
You didn't say that. You said all lowercase. Great.
So now we know that this input field is Mary's food. Right?
Yeah. It's delicious.
Next step, let's put a placeholder inside this input field. Just like the ID, type in placeholder. So you can say, for example, enter total bill amount, or even just say total bill amount. Yep. Alright, press save on that. There we go. So.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Things are coming together, isn't it?
Yep. So now, let's get a bit of a line break on that. How do you do this? Oh, Shift Alt down.
Alt down.
Yep. There we go.
Ooh. Number of people.
Beautiful.
Quantity.
That's pretty good. That's actually pretty good.
Thank you.
That's a good idea. We're going to put a line break after the first input field.
That space?
Nah.
What's that?
It's a BR tag.
How am I supposed to know these things? You're like, just do it. Like, great. Have me explain what I'm meant to do. Boy.
Right. Alright, so right here, you're going to put a BR tag. So it's going to be the same thing as the input field. So look, save that. Fixed. So now, the last HTML section is going to be to display the total amount. Let's put a second line break. So now, under that, and we're going to say total amount inside a strong tag. Yep, look at that. That's perfect. Total amount. So put total amount, then put a colon. Perfect.
Oh, it's bold.
Not bad. It's strong, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, got some biceps going on. Yeah.
Biceps. I got biceps.
Do you?
Yeah.
Where?
I got big biceps.
Can I see?
Nah. You need somewhere to store the total amount, right? In the HTML. So let's make a new span tag after the strong tag. That's O's, mate. Yeah, but a dollar sign as well. Total amount. You know what? It's quite tight there, isn't it? It's quite tight. Yeah, so put a space there, mate. Oh, not on that one.
No.
No. Not on that
You
one.
weren't specific.
No, it's going to be hard to do with after.
Where? Will you explain yourself?
In the other one. Alrighty, cool. So the HTML is done. It took us how long? 15 minutes. It's been edited down, obviously, but it took us 15 minutes to get the HTML done. Not bad. But of course, now we're going to move on to the JavaScript. Okay,
that
so
wasn't.
what do you mean?
It wasn't Java.
It wasn't. No, that's HTML, mate.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
All
HTML.
right. Yeah.
Yeah. So now
All right.
let's do my favorite, JavaScript. Type in script, press enter. Oh, you know what? Oh, we forgot the button. Let's call this calculate. Save that. Alrighty. One huge problem.
It looks ugly.
It's pretty ugly. I mean, that's offensive to many people.
Oh.
What if they like that look? No CSS. Let's put a line break.
How do I put a line break?
BR. Perfect. Okay.
BR stands for break.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, I just got that. I had no
BR
clue.
tag.
Yeah.
Yep.
You didn't explain that. You didn't
Well,
explain this.
does it matter? No.
Yeah, aren't you teaching me?
Yeah, probably. When the button gets pressed, okay, we need to do something, right? We're going to grab both the input fields, okay? Then we're going to divide, obviously, the total amount by number of people. And then, of course, put the number inside there. So that's going to be grouped together using a function.
A function.
A function.
Wow.
Yep, a function. So you need to make a function now
How?
in JavaScript. Tab. Yep.
First one?
Yep. What do we call it? Let's call it calculate. Put a space, then type in calculate. Then put parentheses. Parentheses is the brackets, basically.
Can you say bracket?
Yeah, but it's parentheses. It sounds smarter. Perfect. So now, put a space. Very important. Put a space here. Okay? Very important. So now, put curly brackets. Okay. The first step inside the calculate function is going to be to grab the values which the user has submitted inside the input fields. We're going to make a new constant here. So type in const, const, the space, yep, and then say total bill amount. In camel case, we're going to say document dot query selector all. Actually, no, just query selector. Remove the all. Yep. Is this fun, by the way?
Yeah.
What are your honest thoughts? Tell me. Let's take a 30-second break. What's your honest thoughts? No, I'm kidding. I'm not going to do that.
Oh, thank God.
No, but what are your thoughts, though? Is this fun?
Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright.
I didn't mind it, but you're not explaining what you're doing, so I don't really know what I'm
It'll
doing.
take way
I'm
too long. It's just going to be a bit of fun, you know?
Okay, fun.
From now onwards.
Very, very fun.
Yeah. So inside here, right, we need to grab the input field by the ID. Perfect. So now, basically, we're saying query selector. We're going to grab the input field right there. Then we're going to say dot after this value. Perfect. So now, press Control Alt down again. Oh, hold on. Shift Alt down. Actually, before you do that,
Oh my god.
You have two cursors here. Now, Shift Alt down. We're going to change that to be quantity. We're going to go down to the next line. We're going to say total amount. Actually, I just realized that total amount needs to be per person. Per person. Save that just to make sure we can see. So how do we get the total now? Per person. Divide the total amount by number of people. We're gonna say total bill amount.
Oh, I'm writing that.
Yeah, total bill amount. Then put a space. Divide quantity. Okay, so we've got the total per person. Now we've got to put it inside our little HTML span there. So now we're going to say document query selector. Once again, just copy and paste the document query selector part if you like.
Yeah.
Then we have total per person.
Do I have the hash?
Yes, that's correct.
Look,
You need
who's
the
paying
hash.
attention and who isn't.
Yep. Now it's going to be text content. What are we going to place inside this?
Infinity.
Infinity? No,
Oh, okay.
that's not right. No. Mate,
Then what? I don't know. I feel like I'm having a math quiz. Stop. Can you just tell me?
alright,
Tell the viewers. You're here to teach.
they know.
What?
They know exactly
Exactly.
what's
Listen, teach me.
total per person.
Is that a good thing?
Total per person.
So I just write total to per person.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Hit save, Control S. And I think it's going to be a bit hard if we add the event listener using JavaScript. So we're going to go the old school route and we're going to go back inside the button right there after the ID. Now we're going to say on click. Yep. Press enter. Then inside here, you're going to call the calculate method. The other
That?
one,
This one?
press save. Alright, we're done.
Oh,
We're
I'm
actually
done.
done. We're done,
I thought
yeah.
there was more.
This should work.
Does it? You're a bad teacher.
If it doesn't, then unsubscribe.
Ah! Oh, you're making
Nah,
him sad.
it's gonna work, don't worry.
Subscribe. You're making him cry.
No, that's gonna work. Alright,
Alright.
go back inside here and use
I'm
the app.
inside.
No, click on it.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh my god, there's cursive.
Well, yeah, it's a number field. It's input
That's
type number, mate.
crazy.
It's not bad. So, hold on. So,
Oh, sorry.
this meal is gonna not... $5. What are you ordering, mate? One chip.
Oh, right. Is that... Oh, it's bill amount.
Yeah.
What should we do?
Well, you can enter in the number if you like.
It's funner though.
Unless you want to do this. Alright,
No,
cool.
look how fun it is.
It's not bad.
Will it end? Will it ever end?
It'll probably end eventually.
When?
I don't know, but I'm not going to sit here and wait for it.
Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. 287.
287. Alright.
Yeah.
And how many friends attended?
8.
8 people. Alright, we're going to see a huge number here, I think. So now, that's it. Calculate. Wow. Total per person, $35.62 or 63 cents. It's done.
I
One
meant, like,
problem.
give me the money, but...
One big problem. Dollars. It's dollars.
Mm.
Unless you are in a different country where it's not dollars, but in Australia, mate, it's dollars. So
Where?
to fix this problem, right?
Yeah?
Inside there, we're going to use JavaScript template strings. Template strings.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, next to the one.
This?
Little backtick, yep. Gonna put a dollar sign. Ooh, actually,
Ooh.
put a second dollar sign there. Okay, so now use the curly brackets. Backtick.
This?
Yep.
Next to what?
Next to the one.
Save.
Okay, let's try it again. Alright, 8 people, boom, $34. What is that? $34 and
35
37 or 38 cents. So we're done. There we go. You created... So there we go. We're done. You created your very first JavaScript mini project. How do you feel?
Accomplished.
Accomplished?
Yeah.
Are you going to do it again?
Not unless I'm with you.
Oh, okay. Alright, so any last words for the viewers?
No.
None? Alright, no last words. Cool. I guess that's it then. If you guys want to do this as well, this build creation, I think we're done. I think this was, yeah. I think it's all good. So, yeah, I think
I think you want to play God. Oh, sorry, I did not meant to know that.
Nah. Look, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this different kind of video on the channel. Like I said earlier, if you want to subscribe to Mary, if you want, you can do so. I'll leave a link to her channel in the description below. And you can, of course... maybe not. I don't know. Like, what are you doing? I don't know what's going on. Alright, cool. See you later.
Bye.